Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to cook green bean casserole. The first recipe I'm going to show is how to make green bean casserole from scratch.
Then we will turn up the heat on the stove, have a pot of water and let it boil. Then we will put a pinch of salt so that it will keep the green color of the green beans. Then we will drop the green beans in the hot water and let it boil for around 4 to 5 minutes. You don't really have to do anything with the green bean during those 4 and 5 minutes. And once the green bean is ready, we just have to drain the green beans into strainers. You don't have to run them necessarily in running water.